Friends, family, subscribers to the YouTube channel Adventuring with the S.G.O.C.C. So, I got my Ozempic pen last week. Started it on Sunday. But in looking on YouTube, there's really no videos that explain how to use this product. And so we thought, you know what? We'll do a video that shows it. So they want you to do the shot in your abdomen. I take an alcohol cloth, clean the area completely. You want it to be free of any germs or nonsense.
Oh, this stinks.
Tim has already changed it, and it's easy. You take each week is an injection. So you take the weekly needle, which, as Tim just showed you, comes sealed, put it in the pen, and the pen is already dialed for the dosage that my doctor requires that I get each week. So there it is.
This is on.
Now it's ready for use.
Is it focused on that?
That's the dosage.
Yep.
Focused on it.
You don't have to zoom in, honey.
That you can see it easier when you zoom in.
Is it focused?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Now, you wind it up. Until you get to the 0.5, which is the recommended dose for Jeff.
Mm-hmm.
Then we stick it in, press the button, oh, you gotta hold the button, I forgot. And then it clicks off, and then you want to wait for 6 seconds, and then you're done. And then you can untwist it.
This has already been 2 minutes long.
It's okay.
Put the cap back on the needle spot, and then you throw it away.
So,
And then you package it all up till next week.
can I stop filming?
And here's your...
Can I stop filming? This has been a Fun Brothers production.